Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make an annoying sound with paper. So let's get right to it. You are going to need a rectangular piece of paper. Now the size is completely up to you, but I like to do something that is about this size, give or take. I'm just going to cut it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be in a rectangular shape, just like that, okay? Now you're going to take this piece of paper and you are going to fold it in half, just like this. Fold it in half, make sure that you get a nice fold, just like that. Now you are going to go on the folded side, so I'll just give you a view, this portion right here, okay? The folded portion, and you are going to cut two triangles into the folded portion. Now, different triangle sizes will make different tones and different pitches, but I'm going to do a somewhat small one, just like that. I'm just going to put that over there, and then one that is a little bit bigger, just like that. I'm going to put that over there. All right, now what you are going to do is you are going to take this side right here with the two pieces, and you are going to just fold it just a bit, just like that. Take both of the pieces and fold them. Okay, now flip it over, and you are going to take just one piece and fold it the other way at the same fold line. So I'm just taking one piece now, and I'm folding it the other way at the same fold line, just like that. And what you have when you have finished is something that looks like this. Okay? That is what it looks like, and I'll just show you a top view as well, just like that. Now you are going to take this and you are going to hold it like this between your middle finger and your index finger. You're going to hold it like that. You're going to push this part against your lips, and you are going to sort of hold it tightly together and blow into it, and that will allow you to make a really annoying sound with paper. So I'm just going to turn it around and show you as I make the sound. Alright, so now all that I have to do is take the paper like this, push it against my lips, and blow. So that's what it sounds like. It's actually really, really loud, and it can go extremely loud. It's just I'm trying to keep it somewhat quiet because I don't want to disturb everyone in the building. But if you just take it and if it doesn't make the sound, then that means that your fingers are either too loose or too tight. So just adjust your fingers. And that is the sound that it makes. As you can hear, it is a super annoying sound, and I have shown you how to make how to turn a piece of paper into something like an instrument that makes a really loud and annoying sound. In this video, I have shown you how to make an annoying sound with paper. Follow the instructions that I have outlined, and you'll be good to go. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.